I'm starting a new series. It's basically just Uncut Talks with Todd in the car. I was watching an airplane and I was thinking about the four forces that act upon an airplane. There's thrust that moves it forward. There's drag that holds it back. There's lift that's created that makes it go up. And then there's also weight or gravity, which pulls the airplane down. And I got to thinking that maybe those four forces are working on our own lives. Thinking about thrust. What gives you power? What pushes you? And what motivates you to move? Because we as humans, we like the comfort of just staying stagnant, not moving, not progressing. For me, it's Jesus. Jesus gives me the motivation to push forward. He's slowly changing me. He pushes me at different speeds. Sometimes Satan doesn't have to be the drag. Sometimes myself, I am the drag that's working against Jesus, working in my life. But drag is the work of Satan, working on your heart, pulling you back, keeping you from moving and propelling forward to be better. There's another force, it's weight. The weight. What weights are you carrying in your life that hold you down, that keeps you from moving forward? Then the other one is lift. Lift is so important because if you're harnessing the power of thrust, you're going to lift. You're going to fly. And I think God gives us the ability to fly if we incorporate the power and the thrust that He can provide for us through the power of the Holy Spirit. If you gain any benefit out of this, share it with somebody that could use it. Drop a few comments about what you think about this. I'll talk to you later.